on terms of your, you can understand like commands, you can understand like what is Linux, the different structures, patterns, all those things, right? So we will cover the same pointers, whatever we have seen yesterday, and we will continue on terms of your, we will continue today's topics also on the same platform, okay? Mostly today's class will be on the automation side, where you will understand some things, right? Volume is low. Is it clear? Is my voice good? My video and voice is good? Yes, all good. Great. So shall we start the session? Yes. Okay, just 1 second. Just 1 second, guys. Okay. Yeah. Okay, great. So let's start today's topics. Okay, so very interesting class. Today I'm going to teach you all the automations, different kinds of things which we will do with the help of Linux. Okay, and you will see some scenarios which probably I have done in other, maybe you can say like other companies. So I'll tell you all those things. So just I hope you all are seeing my screen. You are not able to see my screen. Okay, just 1 second. Add a page. Okay, good. So good. Okay, so let me share my screen. I have all the things with me. Yes. Okay. So yeah, let me share my screen. Okay, great. All of you are able to see? Yes? No? Okay, beautiful. You all are able to see, right? Okay. So all of you see here, one of the primary important things which we have seen on the Linux in the yesterday's class is what? On the command side, on the format, that what type of things are there, right? So let's say file system management, user system management, or you say like disk management, or say like network management. All these things, whatever you have seen yesterday in terms of commands, in terms of ideas to work on the Linux, in terms of understanding what is Linux, right? You have understood many things, and I have shared you the complete commands document to you all. Yes. I hope you all have gone through that commands document, which have been shared on the website as well as on the WhatsApp groups, right? If you have not gone, no issues. One of the primary reason why I asked you all to take the printout for this command document is because whatever the automations you will see, you will get from that command documents only. And one more thing, Zoom slots, people who are not able to join, please, you are welcome to join the other stream. Okay. So as of now, I have always told you all that Zoom slots will be full, right? So that's the reason. Okay. Right. So all of you see here, if you have not got documents, no issues. I will help you at the end of the class to understand where you will get the documents and on. Okay. Right. So let's understand today automations. Very, very important topic today for the class. That is your automations. Now, one of the primary reason for you to start, for you all to tell you all that, okay, the yesterday's class is very, very much important, right? And those who have not joined, that's fine. I cannot do anything. But those who have joined, very interesting fact is that you have completed the very important topic, right? So let me put it in this way. Okay. So let me put it in this way. Very interesting. Whatever the commands you have seen, right? That all commands we will club together, right? And work on the automations today. Automations in the sense, if you are joining a company, the first automation, if you are a fresher, if you are a domain change, if you are a non-IT, all these automations are very, very important. Correct? So everything you will do on the Linux systems by using some type of code. So yesterday, do you all remember what type of code we have tried to learn? You all remember? Yesterday, how many types of files are there in the Linux systems? You right? Remember, right? Python, Java, Shell, Node.js. These all like different types of codes are there. But we'll be very much interested in the shell scripting. Clear, everyone? Today, we are very much interested in learning shell scripting. Why? Because this is the basic block of any DevOps engineer coding journey. You are starting your coding career or you are trying to understand some code. This is the step one. Then the same code in the coming classes, we will convert it into the Python. That will be our step 2. And the same code in the Python, we will convert it into the website format. That will be your step 3, right? And when you are reaching at the step 3, you are a pro coder level. This is the medium code level, right? And this is the very beginner or basic code level. Everyone clear? What I'm trying to explain is the DevOps engineer code lifecycle, where you start with the shell scripting, you understand how the scripting is done, then you convert the same script into the code, and that code you combine multiple codes together and make a website kind of a platform. Correct? Now, tell me one thing. You all have heard anything like Flask or Django or Fast API? Anyone in the class, have you heard about these things? Flask, Django, Fast API. Freshers, any idea? The screen is shared, guys. Probably you are not able to see. Please check internet from your end. Okay, that should be fine. Okay, you all are understanding what is Flask, Django. These are Python frameworks to deploy an application, and basically they will give a server kind of environment. Unicorn, right? These are all server-based frameworks. Okay. So tell me, if I want to deploy a server, what machine I need? Ultimately, what is my heart here? What is my heart here? Ultimately, my heart is Linux. Okay. So you see, it's a revolution or a round cycle. You start from shell scripting, you learn, and understand, finally come to the Linux. Clear, everyone? So shall we see the automations one by one? First, I will show you my own automations, which I have done for the organization level. Okay, one by one, I will explain you. And while teaching you the automation, I will teach you to the like coding also a little bit. Okay, how many freshers are there, by the way, in the class? Can you all tell me yes? If you are a fresher, can you all tell me yes, you are a fresher? Yes, you are a fresher? Okay, most of the people are freshers. So tell me, have you understood yesterday's class? Like commands? Okay, at least 50% have you understood? Yes, 50% if you are understanding, I am happy. Because today, on that 50% only, I will build your confidence to learn coding. Okay, shall we start? Yes, I have a beautiful document. I was preparing from morning a document. Those who are in the WhatsApp group, they would have already seen some pictures which we have released. But yeah, so let me start on to the 40% is also fine. Okay, those who have missed yesterday's sessions, no issues, no problem. Just see today's class, you will be able to understand. So all of you see here, some of the automations I have put it. Okay, and we will try to understand if a error comes. Okay, what we will try to understand, if error comes, okay, if an error comes, how a DevOps engineer will solve that? Are you able to understand, guys? Basically, you are a person who is trying to understand things. Okay. So if you get a error or a issue, how do you solve it being a DevOps and SRE engineer? That's what we will do. And the first automation or the scenario for today, please write down everyone on your notes, right? Okay, all of you are asking about WhatsApp group link, uh, yesterday's class data and all. Guys, once I started the class, please concentrate on the class. I will definitely tell you how you can join the WhatsApp group, what are the things at the end of the class, and attendance also I will, okay? So no issues. I will tell you where you will have WhatsApp group, documents, attendance, and all those things we will talk about. Okay, right. So please concentrate right now and please see on the automation side. Okay. So what is the automation one? The first automation is your disk utilization. Okay. Now you tell me you have a Linux system, and yesterday did I told you that every Linux box has a hard disk? Yes. You all have seen yesterday I told you that every Linux box has a hard disk associated with it. Yes. So that is nothing but your disk. And you were trying to, like, you have seen how we are going to divide this disk. Yes. So let's understand. I have a hard disk of 10 GB and I am going to divide this hard disk into 2 GB, 3 GB, 3 GB. So total how much? 3, 3, 6, 7, 8 GB, and 2 GB I will keep it for buffer. Okay. That's what you do in the Windows laptop also. When you take a partition for the disk, you do this. And all of you see here, basically what I'm trying to do is, due to the logs or due to the files in the system got storage space issue. Now, what is the first issue you got it, guys, on the Linux system? Everyone, please tell me, what is the first issue you got it? What is the first issue you got it on the Linux system? Right? You have got a storage space issue, correct? So how do you gonna rectify, and how this people will come to you to ask for help or anything? I will just tell you. Please see here. Okay, please see here. This storage space issue, how we are going to solve it, I will tell you. Okay, so please see, very beautiful. Okay, so now because this storage space issue came, what will happen immediately to the system? The system behavior, can you all tell me? The system will become slow. The system will be unresponsive. The system will become like on a reboot state or any other state, it will go hibernate state or anything. If you keep on like that, okay, slow, hang, frequencies down, stopping, yeah, everything will happen. Now your manager comes to you, okay? He will comes to you like a devil and he will ask you, hey, DevOps engineer, what are you doing? And you will say like, oh, hey boss, I was just checking, I got this. Okay. So boss will tell you, do the automation. So how are you going to do the automation is basically, you will open some code like this Visual Studio Code. And what you will do is you will start understanding the requirement. Now, what is my requirement basically here is, I'll just copy this code. All of you see here. I'll tell you some things first of all. Okay. Okay. All of you are able to see my screen? Yes. Okay. Sorry for that. I got a call. So take that. Okay. So all of you see here, all of you tell me one thing. You got a disk alert, right? And your manager came to you asking that, hey boss, you have to do the automation. You have to solve that issue. So if you are knowing coding or scripting, that is good. But what happens if you don't know how to write? No coding you have done in your life, right? You don't know in coding what are the important blocks. Okay. So I will take 10 minutes of your time to explain you some theory or some roadmap which I follow for every code. Shall I tell you? Whenever some coding, like someone gives me the coding task or someone gives me the scenario task or someone gives me or tells me, hey boss, you have to write the code like this or do the scenario or automation like this, I follow some basic steps. Shall I tell you all? Or you want me to directly explain the code? What do you want? I should tell that, or you want me to directly go ahead and tell things on for you? What about others? Okay, right. So I will tell you. So all of you see here, whenever a code is given, first of all, divide that code into 4 blocks. Okay, 1, 2. See, I'm telling very important things which has been come from my experience. Okay, so try to listen properly and understand things. Okay, right. So there are 4 blocks in the coding, and the first block is your requirement block. Okay, what is the requirement? Right? What is the requirement? Requirement is basically storage is getting filled. You need to clean up. Correct? This is your very basic requirement, right? So what is the requirement? So what is the first thing you will ask whenever a scenario is given or automation is given? What? Okay. You being a DevOps engineer, SRE engineer, or any engineer, what is the question? What is the issue? What is the problem, right? So you came to know that storage is getting filled up. Now, next is why. You need to find the root cause why that is happening. Okay. So yesterday you have seen the log issue, log files getting generated, unwanted deployments on the server is getting hang, old disk which is attached, it is creating issues. Server itself is old OS, right? These all parameters. What? Now, among these things, which is the primary, you need to find out the primary reasons, right? Now, once you have found out the reason, what is the next step? How you are going to solve that? What is the issue? Why it has happened? How you are going to solve that? So how here itself, you will get so many questions, correct? Right? How you can remove the logs, how you can manage the deployments, how you can upgrade the server. All these things comes under how. You need to ask whenever someone gives you a question in the interview also, you need to ask how the things are working, how the things are being done. So once you are able to know how, what is the last step you will do? You will, what is that last one? What you will do? You understood what? You understood why? You understood how, right? How you can do it. Basically here also you will create a block, small blocks, how you can do it. And then you will finally solve and run the issue, right? In the blocks. So all of you see here, whenever you are doing a solution kind of this, the entire code is again divided into 4 blocks. Okay. So the upper block, you understood, all of you? The basics of coding. You understood this block, everyone? Yes. Now, once you have understood, I will take you to the next block now. From the how, please see the next block. Ready? The first things you understood. Now, from there, again, there are 4 blocks. Okay, I will tell you now. Please write down. No one will tell you all these things. 100% I am writing down this thing. At least they will tell what, how, but on the way I am writing this all way, I learned myself. Okay, when I was a junior, when I was struggling to write code or understand shell scripting, any Python, even for Python, I do this only. Okay, so you see here, I will teach you. Once you understood how to do that, Now the entire code is again divided into 4 blocks. Okay. In any coding in this world, you take any coding, the step 1 is import. Okay. Import something. Import something. Import. Bring some things from outside into your code. If you see Terraform, if you see Docker, if you see Jenkins, if you see Ansible, which I will teach you in the coming sessions, import something. First, you import. The first step is import libraries or modules. Are you all able to understand? What is the first thing you will do whenever you are writing a code on the paper for Terraform, for Docker, for Jenkins? You have to import libraries or modules. Those who are traveling me for the next 3 months, you will learn all these things. And every DevOps tool is same, like a baby. You have to nurture that DevOps tool to make it comfortable to run across all the platforms, right? So the step 1 is import something. Step 2 is assign variables. Okay. So for your code, what are your variables? For my disk utilization, variable is percentage. I want to know if the 90% reaches. So variable is 90%, correct? A equal to 90%, let's say. The next is B equal to, let's say, folder path. So what are these guys? Next is what? You write the variables. Okay. You write the first is you import the external modules into your code. Next, assign variables. A equal to 1, B equal to 2. In your entire code, you will make that variables run. And what is the next step? Any idea what is the next step, which is very, very much important step? Beautiful. Write the logic, business logic or function. Okay. And the final one is execute. If you are knowing the 4 blocks here, today's entire automations will be on this 4 and this 4 blocks. Shall we see the first automation today? With the yesterday's class and today's class learnings, you will see an amazing output. And 100% I am telling, any interview question, if you are 5 years, still 5 years, I will tell you, if you are above 5 years, then a complex coding will come, which is like your Python, like little bit complex will come. Okay, complexity will increase, which I will tell you in the next, those who have joined for me with the next 3 months journey, there I will teach you. For now, till 5 to 6 years, mostly you will be clearing. Okay, right. So all of you see here, the first block of code, this is basically a Visual Studio where I like Visual Studio basically. Okay, it is very clean. It looks very clean. It has colorful interpreter. It looks beautiful when you do the coding also. Okay, so all of you see here, able to see my screen? Yes, all of you? Yeah. Okay, one more thing, freshers, right? I will tell you one beautiful thing here. Okay, for freshers, just listen. Okay, your name itself is what, guys? What are you called actually? I will tell you 1 minute. I will tell you what are you called actually? Fresh, right? You are a person who is coming out of college as a fresh youth or fresh person. What is your task? You are a fresh guy, very energetic, 22 years, 23 years. You are bold, you are energetic. You can think loud, you can think big, correct? So what I will tell to a fresher is basically, you don't make yourself confined in a small space where someone will come and teach you from basics. Or let's say you think like A plus 1 equal to A1, A plus 2 equal to A2. Gone are those days. If any mentor is teaching you that way, probably you are in the kindergarten right now. Okay. My job is to tell you how you can crack an interview. If you have joined my yesterday's session, That is the foundation for commands. Today's session, the foundation of coding. We will take yesterday's class and today's class mixed together, and I will tell you each line by line code. Okay. If you are stepping out of my class. Okay. So what I will tell you is, please put a little bit more efforts, guys. Please. A little bit, just you put a little bit effort. My class, if you are not understanding something, take out Google and start understanding things. Okay. I request every fresher, please do some background things before joining class. Before joining class in the website, there are prerequisites, there are documents. If you have not joined yesterday's class, please check those things also. Very important. Okay. So with that said, for every fresher, I am telling, if you want 1 + 1 = 2 class, you are a 22 years guy or girl right now. Everything, you make it a habit of grabbing something on your own. No one will come and tell you at this point by holding your hand. Probably if you are paying 2 lakhs or 5 lakhs or 10 lakhs for your hand to be holded and to give you a job, right, in the outside market, that is a different scenario. But anyone who is coming for my class, I am putting 3 hours of efforts or 2 hours of efforts, right, on teaching you. Please try to understand that. Okay. Right. So if you feel still it's difficult, I would still say put little bit more efforts. Okay. Right. So come back to the class. We will understand some things. Now, all of you see here in this block. Okay. You all tell me, can I say this as a import? Can I say this as a variable assignment? Can I say this as a business logic? And can I say the final where I will run and execute the fourth step, execute the script? Now, do you see the 4 steps which I have told you is right on your screen? Yes. Import something, assign variable, right? Step 2. Step 3, write the business logic, execute the script. Do you all agree with me? Yes or no? Blindly you tell me. Yes, you all agree with me. Is your senses working right now, or is your brain in a proper mode of understanding? Arey yaar, yes, he told just few minutes before and the code is the same way. And not only this, by the way, my dear friend, any code you take, the one file, I'm talking about one file, huh? One file of code, any code in this world you take, it will be based on this format. You challenge me, I will do open challenge. One file of code, may it be Python, Java, Node.js, React, Angular, anything you take, it will be based on this only. Make sense? Right. So we will explore. See, do I need to tell this step 1 to you? Do you really want me to tell what is this step 1? No, you already know. Do you want me to tell the step number 2? You already know. It's telling like, okay, there is a value which has a variable, and email, there is a variable. You don't want. So step number and step number 2, every fresher can write in the interview. Yes. At least you can write on the paper to get 1 mark. At least in the school, you have seen, right? For 1 mark, how much efforts you put, right? So 1 mark, 1 mark. So 1 mark plus 1 mark, you get 2 marks here. Right. Now, what is the important part? Okay, what is the important part, brothers? What is the important part? Okay, if voice is breaking, right? Sometimes it might happen because it's an internet. I am talking on internet, but it will not be continuous. Okay, sometimes minute 1 second, 2 seconds issue might be there. Okay, voice is breaking frequently. Is it breaking? Yeah, frequently? No, right? Okay. If you are telling no or yes, let me do one thing. Just I'll come. Okay, once. Okay. Now let's understand the business logic. All of you write down whatever I will tell you, because this one block of code can help you change life. Okay. And the business logic also I will divide in blocks for you. Shall I divide it? See, someone has written this code, okay, in our organization, or I only written. But I need to understand, right? How I will understand? So you understood the step 1, 2, but step 3, how will you understand? See, the way I teach in the next 5 minutes, you bet me, you bet on me, right? Right? You take it as an open challenge. I will make you understand every bit. If you are zero, I will make you understand every bit. Then I will move forward to the next thing. Challenge accepted? Let's start. Okay. Now, all of you see here, whatever you are seeing in this color, please see, all of you. Color coding. Okay. No one would have teach you till now. I will tell you. Okay. Beautiful. Color coding you see. Okay. Now, all of you see here, what is the color? Light yellow. Okay. So tell me, these all commands are already there for you in the Linux cheat sheet. The commands cheat sheet yesterday you have learned with me. Yes. AWK, you know, it's a processing command, right? Echo, you know, it's a print command. Read something, right? Mail something. Yes. All of you understood? So to write this code logic, what you need? To write this code logic, what you need? Can anyone tell me what you need to write the code logic? Commands. That is why yesterday's class was purely on commands. Got it? Make sense, everyone? Good? Right. So you understood that commands are the building blocks, right? Commands are the building blocks. Now let's see the other color here. Now, if you are able to see, there is something like brown color everywhere. Yes? Yes. And whatever the commands are written, right? These commands are written. These commands are doing something on the brown values, whatever has been written. So basically, what we are trying to do is, with the help of commands, we are passing some additional data to the commands to make the code work as we like. Okay, please write down, to make the code as we like. Okay, so you have a command. I am making that command to work like my expectation. So if you see one by one, df-h is basically disk free in human readable format. Correct? Yesterday you have seen H is human readable format. And you have already seen yesterday I have typed a command ps-ef grep -i. You have already seen this yesterday. So basically, whenever any code is given with disks, the first command you hit this. So Linux will give you all the data. You then pass to it based on your requirement. You process the data. What is the AWK used for, guys? Guys, what is AWK used for? Process the data, correct? So from df-h, some data is coming. It will process the data and taking only the dollar values. If you are able to see the 1 second. Okay. So this is basically processing the data, correct? Now, tell me. Okay, I will check once if my laptop will allow the DF. Yesterday it didn't allow, right? We will check once. Okay, it allowed. Great. Okay. Now, beautiful. I will explain you this one. So all of you see here with the df-h, I got some data. Yes, I got some data, all of you. Yes or no? Good. Now, all of you see here, I will run this. So all of you tell me how many columns I got it? One. Okay, I will count with you all. Please count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 9. Correct? So total 9 data points we got it. Yes, 9 data points we got it. Now, all of you see here, when you get this, I want to filter out the data. I want to process the data. So what is the next one you do it? You go to your code and select only the fifth and the sixth values. So now all of you see here, what it is giving me the data from the bulk of data. Where do you see the 92% row or column and the used? Yes, everyone clear? Filtering the data. It is called filtering the data. Okay. Are you able to understand what we got it here? The percentage of disk utilization. Yes. All of you clear? Okay. All of you are asking what is NR this one? Any idea? What is NR? Any idea? Anyone? Anyone in the class? Anyone in the class? Okay. Can I say like number of rows greater than one or less than one? Can I put a condition? Okay. I didn't told you because I didn't talked about the conditional statements, right? Yes. Okay. So because I didn't told you conditional statements, okay, I missed it purposefully. Okay. Now all of you see here, are you all writing? Guys, write this at least one line also. How many of you are writing down notes? See, if I am putting, see, I am putting almost 40 minutes on one automation. See, I am getting sweat also. I can complete this in 5 minutes and run away. If I tell you this in a deep level, the next things you see, you will understand in this way. Like 5 minutes, you will understand, and I will make you to understand in that way. I have almost like 30 to 40 automations. I will give you no issues. You take time and learn. But one automation, if I am successfully telling you, you can understand everything in a proper way. Okay, right? So just 1 second. Just 1 second, guys. Okay, just 1 second, guys. Okay, I'll come back. Okay. Okay. Okay, I actually got my AC issue. So that's why, yeah, I have just stopped the session. Just 1 second. I was looking out to restart my AC. Okay. So that's why I'm getting sweat. Just maybe 30 more seconds. I will find a remote to just switch off and again check. Okay, just 1 second. Okay. While I take session, right, I keep this like throw like here and there and then search for this. So that's the reason I just kept beside my screen itself, okay, under the monitor. So I was searching here and there. Okay. And someone is telling write a script to restart your AC also. So everything is like automation only here. Okay. Now all of you tell me, have you written this in the notebook? Whatever the steps I am telling, are you writing in detail? Because if you go outside of the class, no one will teach you in this way. You go to any institute. I am writing 100%. You take it as a challenge. Okay. Someone will teach you some the other way, but whatever you can understand in your brain to process it in an easy way. No. Okay. So that's why if you get an opportunity, you take this or else that's fine. Okay. Right. So I was getting a lot of sweats. So that's why I have just asked you all to wait for a few seconds. Okay. Right. So all of you see here, file system is the first row. This is the second row. This is the third row. This is the fourth row. What is the fifth row? This one. So NR one print $5. what is this getting me? $5 is what? So can I tell that the Linux system saves all the values as $1, $2, $3, $4, $5 on the backend, which we cannot see. When I talk about $5, it is giving me this all data, 92%. This disk is having 92% utilization. This disk is having 70%. This disk is having 33, 2%. Now you understood? And when I say $6, it is giving me the inodes usage. Have you heard about inodes in Linux? One of the important interview question. Basically, he will ask you, if you are a 2 years, 1 year experience, he will ask you, brother, this all data, right? This value, this value, this value, this value, or whatever the value on a Linux you are seeing, where it is stored. Have you ever imagined? Let's say I write here I type something like ls-lrta, the command you have seen yesterday. So some database Linux should have. Have you thought ever in your life, boss? Yes, guys, I am like whatever Praveen is telling, that's true. Where is the database of Linux? How this data is stored? Any idea? Any idea where it is stored? No, not in files and folders. This all data is stored in inode. Okay, so you see this all data, whatever the sixth row it is getting, right? 394K, 702, 3, 1.5K, 287. These all are inodes taking the data. Linux index node. Correct. Inode is nothing but Linux index node, which keeps all this data. Make sense, everyone? Yes? Clear? NR is number of records or number of rows. Anything is fine. Number of records or number of rows. Okay, good. Now all of you see here, guys, let's talk about some conditions in the coding. Okay. Now tell me, brother, from the first line, what is the output data you got? All of you, guys, please, please, please. What is the output you got it from the first command? This one, correct? Bylog, benlog. Yes. What is the output from this command I got it? This one. Beautiful, right? And now you tell me one thing, guys. If you really like the class, please post on LinkedIn. Yesterday, hardly 10 people did. You all promised me that you will do it. I felt very bad. You all tag me on LinkedIn, right? Very 10 people only did. You all tag me. I will get the notification. And whoever did that, I like their post also. So what you have to do, go to your LinkedIn profile. You do start a post and you keep at Praveen Singampalli so that it will come in the notification. Okay. Sorry, not this one. At Praveen Singampalli, and you do at Hey Devops, right? This is our organization basically. Hey Devops. Why? Anyone hacked from our class? Okay, right? So these two, if you tag and put pictures, any of your pictures, whatever you like, okay, you can definitely do it. Okay, so that is one thing. And those who want to daily get updates, right, on the classes or something, you can follow my Instagram account also. Okay, you are always welcome to do that. Probably I have not told you yesterday, but today I am sharing for you all, right? Please check. You can follow, you can connect. And on the Instagram also, you can tag me. I will just put that picture onto my wall, right? You can just follow me on the Instagram also. Already a follower, right? If you are already following, no issues, right? Okay, come back to the code now. Okay, so now what is my requirement? 90% above. I need to filter out this data, correct? My requirement is above 90%. Above 90%, I need to filter out the data. So Do you think that I have to find from this data, which is 90%? 90%, 90%, which is 90%? Yes. So can I say line by line, brother, I have to read the data? Yes or no? My requirement is I have total of 10 records. I have to loop. I have to read one by one, looping. It is called conditional looping in coding. Okay. This is called data finding. This is called data processing. And the next one will be, what is that? Data finding. Okay. So these all are coding terms. I will write it for you. Data finding, data processing. And the next one is data segregating or data filtering. Clear, guys, everyone? So once you are putting this filter, can I show you what will happen? All of you are ready? See, whatever the desired requirement is there, it will give to us. Just I will show you. Okay, but here it's a conditional statement. I cannot take only the first line. Okay, so this is called while loop. So everything will run in while loop. Each value will come. Okay, you see, each value will come. So what we are doing is each row we are counting, each row, first value will come. Okay, it will be saved in this variable. And then we are printing the second variable. See, the first variable is coming here. The variable is coming here. So user, what is that? Space and the partition. If user usage is greater than or this is again a condition. So while is a condition to loop over the data filtering. And this is for, again, one more data filtering. If condition and while condition are very much used. Whatever you are seeing in pink, right? Light or dark pink, these all are on the data filtering side. Please write down if condition is equal to, it will be like in this format, if, then, else, 5. This is if loop. Okay. While will be like this. While, do, done. If you see, while, do, done. Okay. Write it down. Write it down. I'll tell you. All of you are clear till here? Are you enjoying the class, by the way? Yes? All of you are enjoying the class? Good. Once you are understanding this, right, it will be very beautiful. The next automations, your brain will start automatically processing. Okay. So you see, I will just clear the screen. And now you see the first row is coming here, correct? And the second value is coming here if the first one is greater than 80% here. So can you tell me from my first this value, how many filtering will happen above 80? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes? Yes or no? Correct. So what I will do for you all is I will copy this entire code. Okay. Or else let's do this. Okay. I will try this. If it is running, it's good to show you all the output. Okay. So I'm not deleting anything, right? Echo disk space. Okay. Fine. So what I will do is, oh, I am on the same folder itself. So what I will do is sh. Okay. Shall we go to the fourth one? These are variables, brother. Brother, wherever you see blue, these are variables. A equal to B. See, A equal to B, A equal to B, A equal to B. These are variables. So you have a variables two types in Linux. One is this one. When you want to call something or when you want to bring something in, you put a dollar. Okay, clear? There are other ways also. You put either a dollar or you put like this also. That is also one way. Okay. Shall I execute this code? Shall I execute this code, guys? Yes? We are ready? Okay, good. You all, what you do, Okay, you all, after going home, you should see this. Okay, what is TR-D? All of you write down probably. See, explaining everything in the first attempt, it will be more burden for you. Okay, so TR is nothing but trimming the data of percentage. So we are comparing values. Here you see, here you don't have percentage. Where is the percentage value? Do you have a percentage here? No, right? Correct. But here you have a percentage on the screen where I am filtering the data. Yes. So how to compare? Before comparing, you are trimming the percentage from the value one. Make sense, everyone? Yes. So I will run this code. Please see now. What is the value to run? There are two ways to run. First, I will show you chmod. Okay, 777. Did you saw yesterday? What is this? What is this basically? To give the full permissions? Okay. Now, great. So I will put chmod 777. What is that? Chmod 777. What is that file? Our file? Test.sh. Okay. Why test.sh is not coming? ls-lrta. I am in the same folder or not? Oh, did I create it in any other folder? Let's see. I will first clear the screen. Hope you are writing everything along with me. Okay. I am making you all to understand things. I'll make the screen also a little bit small. Okay, here. Okay, I will refresh it. Let me see. Is it same folder only? Terraform on Azure. Okay, no issues. I will run from the terminal from the Visual Studio. We will just see. Okay. So all of you see here, I will give you a little bit brief info about information about Visual Studio. Okay. Those who are continuing with me for the next 3 months, you definitely need to install this. This is called a Visual Studio Code. To do the coding, it is very good IDE. We call IDE as integrated development environment. You can develop anything, you can code anything, and it will look very beautiful, like a colorful rangoli on your screen. Okay. So whatever the code, Python, Java, Node.js, any coding you can do, and it's very beautiful. So to run the code, you just need to keep like terminal on the top. There's a terminal. You say new terminal, and I will say chmod. Let's see if it is giving here or not. Test.sh. Okay, now it gave me. Okay, now what I will do is, okay, shall I run the code? All of you ready? Yes? Good. So one, two, okay. So one more thing, it will not send out the email. It will fail. Okay. Because it's not a Linux completely. It's a Mac, but we will try to do it. Or else, okay, first we will run it. If any issue, we will rectify it. Clear? Chmod spelling I gave wrong. No, correct. Right. So to run this, basically, okay, it's not printing anything. Oh, okay. So I have done this. Okay. What it is telling? Okay. So it's giving an error. Why? Any idea? What is this 0BI 194GI? Where it is coming? From where it is coming? 0BI 194GI. 16GI is there, but where is this 194 integer line number 8? Okay, so what we will do is we will put a echo statement to debug. Okay, clear everyone? user. Okay, we will see like from where that value is coming. Okay, some values are coming correctly. 394K is correctly coming. 706. So where it is taking the value? Is it reading something else? 706 is not there, right? Okay, little bit we will go up and debug exactly values, how it is. Maybe I am running from a terminal, right? Okay, I will do one thing. I will run the first line here. We will see if the values are same or not. Okay. Because sometimes this terminal takes some other data. Oh, okay, okay. It's getting some 706 here. Oh, okay. Now I understood. Guys, the values are continuously changing. Okay. So because these are CPU and memory, correct? You need to understand that. That's the basics, right? So that's why the values are here. Here there is no 706. And I was thinking like, why 706 is coming? Correct. That's true, right? So because it's like dynamically changing data. And for every minute changes, your code recognizes the changes. Okay. So that is why sometimes that error will not come. Sometimes the error will come. But did you understood the core logic, what we wanted to do? And did you understood, okay, with this 4 steps, I am able to understand the code? Yes, yes or no? Everyone, right? And very beautiful these scenarios are. I will take you to the next scenarios. All of you are ready? You understood about the disk utilization, right? Now we will see some more things, okay? All of you see here, I cannot run this because from my system, some additional parameters are coming and it's continuously changing. In Linux environment, you can do proper Linux environment. You can definitely run this. And when you are running also, remove this mail and all because it will not work. So you have to trim your code. Okay. So shall we go to the automation 2? Yes. See, very simple. Again, the 4 rule theory. I will copy this code for you. Okay. I will paste this code on the screen. I will say like backup.sh file. Okay. What is this code doing? You read now. Okay. You read now. Importing, assigning variables, and finally what it is doing? Logic. Okay. This is batch 13 project, by the way. Okay. Anyways, I'm not showing you any code. You just see like how I am doing things. Okay. So you tell me the light yellow colors. Did you saw everyone yesterday's document, yesterday's class? Command, command, command. Yes, good. So can you all tell me what is the first command doing? Is it creating a folder in this like place? It's creating a, okay, sorry, destination. It's creating a backup folder. Then it's taking the tar. Okay, yesterday I have done the hands-on and finally it is echoing the date. So did you saw the date command yesterday? If I copy this, probably it will not run on my system, but I will check once for you all. Okay, it's running. Good. Okay. So this is basically a date format, right? Which is given in the Linux for you all to understand. Okay, zipping the file. Clear? Makes sense, everyone? Good? All good till now? Okay, beautiful. Now let's go to the. So you see, I will not tell anything now. One by one, you will only understand. Delete old log files, we will see. Okay, this code. Now, all of you see here, did we discuss yesterday this find command? I told you 5 marks interview question. Now, first is import, assign the variable, write the logic. So when you are writing the logic, find the log directory, find in this directory, whichever the file name, type file name matches with this, and get me the modified last 7 days. I want to get the last 7 days changed files. Get me and remove that. I will write for everything. Please write down. Okay. Find in this folder type of file with name log modified time of last 7 days. Okay. And whatever the data coming from till here, it is removing. Are you all good? Yes. Pretty good, pretty easy. Understanding things, beautiful. Can I go ahead? Okay. One more thing. Put a 5-star and write it on your notebook. Please put that. Very important. Please. Loving it. Okay. Super. Good. I want to see on LinkedIn also. Okay. 5-star. Okay, good. Beautiful. Now you will be amazed, much more amazed to see some other things. Okay. Can I go ahead? Have you written this? Yes. I will go ahead. Nandini, have you written? Supraja, good. Khyati, tell me, did I ever connected with you anytime, like in any meetup or something? Because your name I am remembering somewhere, Khyati. No, Khyati Sharma. Or you messaged on Instagram, something like that? No, yes. No. Okay, fine. Okay, now I was telling like maybe you message somewhere on the Instagram or LinkedIn or somewhere because I am familiar with your name. Okay, no, maybe some other Khyati Sharma, right? Okay, right. So if you all are written, let's go ahead and next execute. EXEC is execute. Whatever the data you are getting from here, you execute and remove. That is what it is. Clear? Done? Okay, little bit difficult things shall we go? Yeah. So what I will do is I'll copy this. Now see, all of you are understanding, right? We will do memory monitoring. Okay, all of you see here. Okay. When you are seeing this yellow, what are those things? Those are commands. Okay. Find the data. First one is what? Find the data. Second one is what? Process the data. Third one is what? Filter the data. Anything on the anyway. So top command will give you all the top memory processes running. And from there, you are grepping the CPU's process, whichever are running on the CPU. From there, you are only filtering the 2 rows which you need. And then you are checking the memory also, free memory, and you are taking data in the percentage format. And if CPU is greater than 80, then tell this. If memory is greater than 80, tell this. Okay. Now, all of you write down. I will give you 1 minute of time to write. Write down. We will see some more things. Awesome. Okay. Okay, what about people on the other platform? Are you all able to understand? Yes? Good? Beautiful. Right. grep and AWK both do filter. Okay. We need to write. Bhai log, if you are not writing in my class, what is the value then? What if you don't get this document? Correct. Who will again teach you? Right, bhai. At least when I am telling you to write, at least some scenarios you write so that you remember later when you are filtering out your notes and all those things. कि यार अच्छा ठीक है मैंने ऐसा सीखा था. I am writing like this. Correct. Yeah, just 1 second. Just 1 second, guys. Okay. Okay, I will share my screen. VS Code I have. Okay, not any session, brother. Okay, Visual Studio Code is just like coding. Okay, probably I will teach in the other like the Bash 13. If we go deep, right, in coding, in getting the extensions help, in running the like all the things, right, it will take much time because for different patterns, different flavors are there in the Visual Studio Code. Okay, right. So all of you have written. Can I move ahead? All of you are written. Can I move ahead? Okay. Now, if you see the if condition, if you are seeing, I will write it down. Just see. Just remember in your mind, if, then, phi, or if, then, else. Okay, sorry. Else. See, indentation is also important in shell scripting. Okay. Okay. Now you write if, then, else, phi. This is the complete if condition. Okay. Phi should be there. If is starting with, ending with phi. Okay. Write down. Once you have written, let me know, all of you. Done? All of you done? Okay. We will go to the next one. All of you see here. Okay. Now, restart if a service is not working. So basically, did I told you in yesterday class, like a website router, that story? You remember someone when they come, they first hit a server, which is having a router, and the router will route the traffic to a application. The application inside application has some endpoints, right? Web, login, and the application responses back. Yes, you remember? Yesterday I told you this story, those who have joined. So can you all tell me in DevOps, what are the different types of routers available? One is Apache router. Any other Apache? HTTPD, Apache HTTPD. Any other routers do you remember in DevOps? The first router, which routes the incoming traffic. Okay, you go there, you go there, you go there, like a traffic police. Okay, the next one is Nginx. People are telling, okay, this is also a router. Whatever the request is coming, you route it, you route it, you route it, you route it. Correct. So please tell me now, the service which I want to restart. Okay. You see, I have given service name. If the service is not active, okay, all of you see here, this is a condition, very beautiful. If the system is active, okay, or quiet, then you see here, if the system is active and quiet, then you restart the service. If I put this, if the system is not active and not quiet, then you restart the service. Making sense, everyone? Yes. Please write down this. This is for service restart. Any service, and all of you see here, those who have joined the batch 13, right? These things I will convert in Python. I will convert in Ansible. I will convert in Terraform. I will convert this into a Docker file. Like everything, it will be given as a plate to you to understand all these scenarios in a bigger code platform. Let's say Python, if you go to the level 2 in our class, these all things will be like a muri mixture for you. I will mix everything. We will start from basics like crawling. This is very basic, okay, crawling. But if you want me to do the shell scripting advanced, that is equivalent to Python intermediate. Even we have that. Like one full page of Python, I have written maybe 1,000 lines of code, right? Or 500 lines of shell scripting, right? So those things we can do. Clear, everyone? Are you all writing? Yes? Good. Can I go ahead with the next automation? Okay. All of you see here, little bit on the file manipulation. Okay. Okay. Please see here, all of you. The first step is equal to variables. Okay. This is while loop. So please write the while condition. While condition is like, okay. Okay. 1 second. Huh? Sai 1 second. Yeah. Please write down. Yes. Okay, good. Now all of you see here, this is a while loop. You all can write variables and while loop. Whenever we are doing a loop, you see here while do done. While do done. Okay. Very important. Please write down. Okay. Basically, from a file, you are reading the data. Okay. See here, from a file, each line will come and you are reading the data. That's it. I will just make it a little bit small for you. Patching and all automations are there. We will see. Done. Okay, we will go to the next one. System update. And what is the next one? Monitoring website availability. I will put this both things together and show you few things here. All of you see here, there is a URL. For the URL, we are checking whether the website is up or not. Okay. So if the website is giving the status as 200, say okay, or website is down. Please write down if condition. If the website is up and giving the status 200, then you say okay, then you say okay, or you say website is down. Okay. Please write down. And the other one is patching kind of thing, which is like your installing of tools. Okay, I will give you 2 minutes. Please write down both the scenarios. Not getting your screen? Please see here. All of you are able to see my screen? Yes, right. Okay. No, Anita, please check from your end here. Okay? Okay, I will stop again. You guys are telling not getting your screen. Please see now, all of you. Yes? Okay, good. Okay, 2 minutes I will give you. Please write down. Are 8 checks also command? Arey no, yaar. Okay. Yeah, correct. So basically, 1 second. If not is there, correct? If not, website is giving 200, then website is down. You missed this. So variable assignment and condition. Done, all of you? Good till now? All good. 200 status code. Huh? These are the status code. Okay, you want status code also 200? Please write down status code 494, 500, 202. What else you have? 400. I think these are the major codes. 503. Okay, fine. These are the major DevOps codes you have. The data will be added like this only. Okay, Praveen, Raja, Arjit. Okay, like this. Dev null means, please write down, dev null means make the entire output of this command equal to null or 0. Okay. Usually in Linux, whenever we are doing the shell scripting, we don't want the output log. So we make that dev/null. Comment was this import, array brother, that is defined by a Sandra. Okay, not brother, right? So sorry. So basically what happens, right? This is the first command or first value you have to give in the shell code. Okay, so you see, whenever you see a shell script, it will be the first line. So it denotes it's a shell script and you are trying to make it a bash and a shebang formation. Okay, that's very important here. So that's the importance of the first line. After the first line, whatever you are writing, it's kind of a command. Sorry, comments. Okay, clear? Who was that? Sandra. Okay, clear? Nagaraju, the purpose of code is written here itself. See, every line on the top, it's written. Clear, everyone? Good. Okay, can anyone show me your notes? Can anyone come on screen and show me your notes if you are willing to do that? Anyone? Like I want to see, like you want to do, Gunti Sai Kumar? Okay, you want to do it? Okay, I will give you access. I just want to see how you are writing. if you are writing good, right, no issues. If you are doing some changes, I will guide you, like what are the things. Okay, right. So I will give just 2 minutes. We will do this. Okay, to Sai, we will give access so that everyone can see, right? Because making notes is important. So I just want to see so that I can guide. Okay, go ahead. You are going to be panelist right now. I'll stop my screen share. You will have the screen share access. I just want to see your notes basically. Okay. Right. Let's see Sai's notes, how he is preparing the notes and all. We will see. Sai, you are already there in the panelist? Allowed to talk. Okay. Yeah. Promote to panelist. Okay. Now you will be promoted to panelist. Please see now, Sai. What happened? Sai, can you talk? Hello. You. Okay. Can you put in chat? What is the issue? Pura rough notes. Sai, any issues with you? Okay. Anyone else? Probably Sai will check from his end. Anyone else who want to share screen and show me your notes? No one? No one in the class? How come? Sai, are you there, brother? Arey, if it is bad notes, also fine. I just want to see your notes. What is wrong in that? So that others I can guide. Or else how you are making notes, I can guide. Okay, now Sai has joined. Okay, Sai, you can unmute yourself, right? Check once.
Yeah, can you hear me, Praveen?
Great, great, great. So, see, you are having the screen share or not? Yeah, you can come on video also. No issues.
Yes, give me a second.
Yeah. See, screen share option is there, right?
Yeah, I can see
Yeah.
that. But due to some network issue, my laptop is going slow down.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
that's
Okay. We still it is taking time.
yeah, that's fine.
Okay. Mohit Sahu, I will give access.
Yeah, sure.
Meanwhile, right? You also check, but meanwhile, see Mohit Sahu, you are able to share your screen.
Hi, Praveen.
Hey,
Are you
hi.
able to?
Yeah, I am able to hear you. Are you able to share screen? Check options are there for you.
Just a minute. No screen share option I'm
Now you will
able.
get it. Now you will
Yeah.
get it.
Yeah. Sure.
Yeah, now he got it. Okay, let's see how he is making notes. You can just hold like this. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Is
Go.
my
Yeah, go
video
ahead.
not
Go ahead.
yet?
I
Okay,
have
sorry.
given you access.
Yeah, just a minute. Yeah.
Okay.
Hopefully my video is on.
Yes,
And
yes, I
you
can
are able
see.
to see.
Yeah.
Yeah, so this is the way I was.
Okay. You have to remove that blur, I think, because it's blurring.
Yeah. Just a minute. I don't know. This was my default settings also.
Yeah, go on the video, adjust the blur. Yeah, now it's good. Okay. So today's class notes we will see. Okay, so you have written all these things. Go to the next page. Like, okay, you are maintaining two pens color, brown, black, and I think red, right? Blue and red, I think.
Yeah.
Okay, so you are
So
writing all.
many of the things I have missed too. So
Okay,
in
and why you
session,
are leaving the below page? Like, why you are writing half?
sorry.
Half. Like you
No,
left.
no, I have kept it means to note down few things which I missed.
Oh,
So
okay.
next page again, I started writing.
Okay. Got it. Okay, makes sense.
Yeah.
Next.
This much I have noted it down till
Okay.
now.
Okay, fine. So, Sai, yeah, I think few things you have to hide.
Yeah, sure.
Okay.
Can you see this?
Yeah, I can see. Okay. So you have written detailed things
Yes, this
with a
is
single
one.
color. Go to the next page.
Yeah, sure. This is today's class.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So you are writing in a very short space all the data.
Yeah,
Okay. Right. Got
just
it.
like a road map.
Yeah, correct. Got it.
Yeah.
Okay. So I think these things make sense, right? And good, but still I want to see like good notes. Okay. When you talk about good notes, I will tell you probably I'll just show you all of you. You can do like this. I'll just share my screen probably. Just see all of you. A better notes making works in this way. Okay. So you write the heading, right? And you write the topic. And like what he has done is good. Like, let's say like this is the place. So basically on the down, you keep some space for your writing, correct? And on the top, little bit space so that any questions you have, you write it in the star mark, right? So let's say while I am teaching some class, you get a doubt, you put it as a star question mark, right? And heading topic, any architecture diagram will be good here with a different color. Basically, I recommend black and blue, but any colors, if you write, that will be good. And have some space on the down also. Maybe tomorrow you want to refer, you got something, you can add it here. Make sense, everyone? And that's how, like, on a broader notes, I divide the notes into multiple segments, smaller segments, and write it. Okay. Right. So that all things are there. So tell me a few things here. I wanted to understand how many of you have joined batch 13 from here? Because I'm planning to have some things for you rolling out this week, right? Okay, you have joined, right? Now, okay, good. So how many of you have not joined yesterday, but still want to join? Anyone is there? Right, on our batch 13? Yes, you are there? Right. So what I will do is, basically, I will give you the link, right? And if you have liked the session, you are welcome to enroll. Okay, right? So this is not batch 13, Arshita. This is free classes, okay? Free course. I think you joined as a batch 13. You thought it's a batch 13? Is it I'm putting more efforts here? No, it's a free class. Batch 13 sessions have not been created yet. Okay, next week, probably next week, we will plan. You will get the data. Okay, so I will tell you, those who have joined batch 13, some important data for you. Microsoft Bangalore meetup. I will confirm you all the batch 13 people, those who have joined, by Wednesday. You will get notifications. Okay, if you are not getting notification, it means that September meetup is not happening. Okay, I have asked for some particular dates for the Microsoft Office. If they give to me, I will continue on that. Okay, if they don't give, probably we will postpone to October. But if they give, by Wednesday, you will get a notification in website. Make sense, everyone, for all the batch 13 people? Yes. Okay, now that is one important information. Second, those who have joined batch 13, please see some things here. You can start your preparation from today if you want, because already the data is attached in the website. But if you don't want to start your preparation, completely fine. You can wait for the class to start. Okay, second. And third, those who have enrolled, I want you all to log in into the website and check under the course tab whether batch 13 module is attached to your, what is that? Is attached to your registered number or not. Okay, Gayatri, please check now. You can refresh. Basically, the sync is happening from the backend to your login number. It takes time. You can refresh and you will get the data automatically. Okay, right. So all the things are there. So what I will do is yesterday, I asked you all for 3 people to enroll, right? Last 3 slots are left. So if anyone is interested, you can enroll now. And those who are enrolling, I am giving you all these projects on your resume, ready-made projects on your resume. Project number 1, project number 2, project number 3, 4, 5, 6, everything I will give you. Okay, everything I will give you. Limited seats, last 3 seats for this class I am keeping, right? You can enroll yourself and call out your name. Once the 3 seats are completed, we will roll out to the next topic. Okay, so why, like, things are there? Because it's important for you to upskill, and whatever the way I have teached you, in this free class, you saw I put more efforts in the free sessions, right? Correct. In the batch 13, recordings are available for you. In the free class, recordings are not available. But in this class, if you see, you get 14 major projects, 2 months duration, 2 years access, 40 plus LPA and live classes. Along with that, you get the recordings also. Recordings available? Yes. Okay. So I'm looking for 3 people. If anyone is interested, can you call out your name first? I don't want to waste time here, but let me understand. Yes, Mohit Sahu. Okay, those who are telling EMI is not working, see, the main funda of EMI issue is you have to do a add-on for batch 12 recording and one-to-one mentorship also. Okay, those who are enrolling, if you are interested, please take for one-to-one mentorship also, right? Because what happens, right? If you are taking on EMI or anything, it will help you in taking EMI. Okay, right? I wanted to show you something basically. But yeah, 3 people, please give your name. Jyotilal, it will start by next few weeks. Okay, once the Microsoft meetup is done for batch 13 and 12, we will roll out. Okay, right. So you can do that. I will just look few things on my screen. Okay, I am in Hyderabad. How do you conduct meetup? See, you have to come to Bangalore, right? That's important. Okay, those who are enrolling, how many of you are enrolling, by the way? I'm just waiting for you all. Okay. I am interested, but there is a timing issue. See, Isha, the thing is, timings are mainly, let's say, like you have the recordings, right? If you are not able to join, who will teach you? Right. So if you are interested, I have given the link, and definitely going forward, we will conduct in Hyderabad also. Okay. 3 people can enroll. I have shared the link with you all. And when you are enrolling, please take one-to-one mentorship if you are okay. And the previous batch recordings also are available as a combo offer. Okay. So I will wait for 5 minutes and 3 people I am waiting. So I think I will tell you all. In Saudi Arabia, okay, people from outside countries can also take. Definitely, you can also take because it will help you in learning, upskilling, and adding more value to your learnings. Correct? Right. So I will take some questions. I have joined yesterday. No, now you check. Rakesh, now you check. Course content is already attached. The sync for your number, once you have enrolled, all of you, I'm telling, the sync from your number to the backend will take at least like few minutes. I think after that, it will be different. Okay. Right. So all of you see here, fees will change once this live gets completed. Okay. That is for sure. One thing. Second, EMI will only work if you are opting for the one-to-one mentorship and the batch 12 recordings. I would suggest EMI is waste. Okay. Don't go for that. I would recommend you for the less cost, you are getting much more content. Okay. So definitely you all can enroll, and I'm just waiting for a few people. Can you call out your names once again so that we can check who are those people who are interested to enroll in the last 3 seats, and then the price will change. What do you think? Yeah, right? Yeah. Go ahead, guys. Go ahead. I'm just waiting for you all. Okay, if any issues from SBI, you can route to the other account. Jetty, no plan, man. No plan. Once some placements are there, right? I will tell you some placements we have got from the batch 12, right? All the amazing placements we have got, right? All the amazing placements. Yesterday you have seen, right? Correct. Yesterday you have seen. Yeah, people who are in Hyderabad need to come to Bangalore. Yeah, that's important, right? How much in AWS? All the important things are going to cover Shake. Okay. Class timings 9 a.m. to 12 p.m. on weekends, and on weekday, Wednesday, 8 p.m. to 9 p.m. Okay. Right. If you are interested, I am requesting you all to fill the slot. the last 3 slots you can fill, and then go ahead and do the things. Mandatory to come to meetup. See, why it is mandatory, I will tell you. First of all, you will have a direct engagement with all your batch members. Okay, if we are conducting, right? So that is important, right? Okay. How we can learn the cloud platforms? We will take the Azure and AWS free subscriptions and we will learn. Okay, Mallam Pavan Reddy, if you have not added one-to-one mentorship and batch 12 recordings, what I would suggest is you can re-enroll and you can send us an email with both the screenshots of the previous payment and this payment with your registered mobile number. We will help you with getting one back. Okay? Clear, Mallam Pavan? Yeah, so meetup will happen. So I'm waiting for 3 people to come with me. If you have any questions, you can ask me, guys. Okay, definitely you can ask me. And attendance I will take at sharp sometime. Okay. Yeah, documents I will share, no issues. Okay, definitely I will share the documents. And those who have enrolled for batch 13, please check your logins once. Okay. Jetty, not sure, brother. No, Priya, no, it's not working. That's what. Okay, it's not working. Guys, if you are trying for EMI, it will not work. That's what I'm telling. Okay, so I'm not sure why that things are keep on failing, but please, okay. Sure, Sakshit, no issues. Recording will be available for recordings and live sessions. Both are available in batch 13. Okay. Can you give a brief or else can I take those later after that? What is that? I didn't get you. I didn't get you, Mohit. What is that brief? Okay, you enrolled? Okay, great. So can you brief? I only have SBI, don't have other bank account. Can you try with UPI? If you get it, it will be good. No, we don't have any other courses. We have only batch 13. Along with that, we have recordings of the previous batch. Okay. And guys, let me tell you once again, those who are, anyone wants me to explain all the things of batch 13 once again? People with freshers, people with experience. Okay, how many of you are freshers and not joined my class? Tell me first that. If you are a fresher and not joined my class, tell me. You just tell me like ME, that is also fine, ME, right? You all are there. Today, have you understood 50 to 60%? How many are there? Today, you understood 50 to 60%? Yes. Now you tell me, if a engineering third year student or fourth year student or those who have passed out, if you tell these kind of scenarios in the interview, what the impact you are going to create. And if you are already having the real-time projects on your resume, which I will share from the batch 13, and I will prepare your resume, give you a mock interview, and I will give you interview questions. What else you need, you tell me. In 4,000, in 1 week, you go and complete your 4,000. What else you need? Correct? So I'm literally not sure what else a fresher needs. Right? What else you need? You tell me. Right? You understood by knowing me. You came to me. You understood today's class. Yesterday's class, you were with me. What else you need? I gave you scenarios. I gave you document. I gave you real-time experience. I gave you my experience sharing. Right? You are from cybersecurity. You are from third year, fourth year. Whatever you are. Definitely it's going to help you. Okay. So probably I want only 3 people who are serious about upskilling in the coming times. Non-IT also have got jobs. So probably let me share my screen and show you all the placements which we have given till now in the batch 13. All of you see here, if you see our students last months, June, July, August, if you see, person has got 2 job offers, one job offer directly in the class with the 90 days notice period, right? And if you see on the LinkedIn, people are sharing about the certified Kubernetes admin pass outs. If you are seeing, girls are sharing on she's our batch 10 basically. Okay. Right. And if you are seeing, right, these all things, TCS to 500% hike, he's our student. Now he's in Portugal. I have met him also personally. Okay. If you see, right, batch 12, she is in London, UK, right? She is in Adobe right now, SRE3. Hi, I am planning to join Adobe as computer scientist 1. SRE3 also got 35% hike. Your lectures, YouTube videos, and LinkedIn post kept me motivating. It's on 7 July, upcoming Monday, July. And this is August. Okay. So she's from batch 12. Okay. Makes sense, everyone? Right? What else you need? I don't know. But definitely we are going to bang on with the seats getting filled up. Right? So definitely it's going to help you. Azure and AWS, we will cover Azure infra creation on the project side and AWS infra creation on the project side. If you are able to see, Azure and AWS, both are in the project itself. Right? Biswas, yes. If you have received the email with the confirmation, yes, it's done. No issues. Okay. Automatic website will take care. Done? Okay, good. Okay, any other questions you have? Anyone else? Any idea? Any doubts? Today, if you have understood 50% plus class, then definitely it's a bang on for you. Okay, great. So I will just share my screen once more for you all to show. So basically start from scratch, 14 real-time projects, live recording sessions, live and recording, both you will get it 2+ months, validity 2 years, access to community, full job guidance I'm going to give you, live doubts clearing session and certificate of completion. 2 seats I'm waiting with 70% off. And those who want the one-to-one mentorship, you can click on add. And if you need the previous batch recordings, you add. If you don't want, you skip it. Okay. Right. So last one seat, almost like I think we are filling up the data. Right. So I will just wait for few more minutes to give you a chance. And then we will go ahead with the next set. Okay. Right. One person I am waiting. You can take out the link also for the batch 13. Yes, you can directly join the batch 13. No issues. Okay. Yeah. One more seat. Already the batch 13 has started. No, brother, batch 13 is a September batch. We are in August. Okay. Okay. Advantages of mentorship call, I will tell you. The first biggest advantage of the mentorship call is you will talk with me directly, right? And I will guide you for job. Let's say you are giving job, you want me personally to check your resume. Anyways, in the class, I will do it. But let's say you have doubts, you have clarity, you want me to take your any personal things, we can do on the one-to-one mock interview call. Okay. Make sense, everyone? So people who are watching me on YouTube, you can also go ahead and take. If you are from any other country also, the website will support. Okay. Please enroll here. See, those who want the batch 12 recordings, you have to opt as a combo pack. Okay. I have not enrolled. Is any option? I have another only number to log in. I didn't get Venkata, what you were telling. No, you see, once you have taken the course means whatever offerings you have taken as a combo, you are getting one time only. Next, you cannot take it. Okay. And I will prioritize my time based on the people who are taking. Okay. So afterwards, it's very difficult for me to schedule my calendar, my team will send you invites for the mentorship call and all those things will happen on the slots that people are taking. Okay. So whatever you are going to take at once only. Okay. You cannot take later or any other point of time. I hope you understand. Okay. So I don't encourage that also. right? Yes, Suma? Okay, now can you give me names? Okay, how many of you are interested, by the way? Let's talk in this way. How many of you are interested? You want to come with me, you want to learn under my guidance. How many of you are interested? Right now, I am in live. How many of you are interested? Biswas is interested. Biswas is telling from yesterday. Sahana, Sakshit, Rogada. Okay, names are unique, yeah. Okay, my Muslim friends are also there. Usman is there. Hina is there. Yes, Supraja, my Telugu friend. Dinesh, Gollapalli Subhash. Okay, so you all are there, right? So when I'm asking to fill like one slot, why are you thinking so much? Right? At least one person can do that, right? Right? One person can do that. Yes. Okay, if some what happens, right? If some payments gets failed, it will show as slot full. Again, you will get back the payment. Okay. If anything is happening, you will get back your payment. No issues. Okay. Clear? You will get back your payment back. Like sometimes what happens, slots full, you will get, but it will show you again the payment is there, right? And you will get your payment credited, I think 2 to 3 business working days, it will show you. No, Naresh, that's fine. Okay. I have taken the attendance also. You will get your documents on the portal. No issues. Okay. Right. So those who are interested, you can fill in the slots. Okay. I'm just looking out for rolling out the documents to you. Okay. Anyone from any other countries, right? You can definitely enroll. No issues, right? 2 months. Okay. 2 months we are going to teach you on a full-fledged and again, you will continue for the next month also, right? Okay, those who are interested, you can continue enrolling with me, right? Right, Gollapalli, again, you are telling that I would suggest if you have time, right? Because we are crossing the time. So if you have time, go ahead. Yeah, Pragati, almost done. The next automations I will share on the website only, right? But this class recording you will not get. So that's why I wanted you all to write the notes. Very important, okay? And now to execute this scenario, which you have explained us, what things should we install? Next week, I will tell you how to set up a AWS cloud, how to take a Linux system and all those things. Next week, I will tell you. Okay. Shravani, you are unable to see the notes. In the website, there are there. If you take time, you will understand. Okay. Clear? How many months will you train, sir? So basically 2+ months it will go, right? 2+ months mostly you will be able to see. Okay. Right. What is that? Someone is saying. It is which batch? Batch number 13. As the name itself tells in the URL, it's a batch 13. Okay. Right. Those who want to drop off, you can drop off. But those who are interested in talking or learning some things, you can stay. No issues. Okay. When does so basically, this is a September batch, right? I have enrolled. Okay. Correct. So if you have enrolled twice, let's say, like you enrolled once, the payment got debited and you got registered, but again, seats you are showing and again, you have done an enrollment. No worries. We will help you. You just email to this email ID with your registered number and the 2 payment screenshot. No issues. Okay. Don't worry. Venkata Gurus. Right. Okay. 24 hours. Reply 12 to 24 hours. Okay. DevOps is helpful. Yes, brother. DevOps is helpful. Oh, so you missed the mentorship call. No issue. So you send both the things. We will just add the screenshot. We will do it. We will do that other one. Okay. No issues. Okay. Okay. Any questions you have? Any others who wants to discuss some things? Any questions? Any doubts you have, by the way? What is, okay, one thing, what is stopping you to think? Could you please show for one last time? I am unable to see notes. Shravani, it's in the website only. Under the course tab, notes, documents are there. Okay, please check. Okay, people on YouTube, all good till now? Yes? Okay, how many of you are enrolling now, Usman? Anyone trying to enroll? You can let me know. I will wait for you. Right? Enrolled? Right, good. Devika? Yes, please, guys. If you don't have any questions, you can leave this call. Okay. Next week classes will be scheduled for the free course. No issues. You can leave. Rest who are interested to join Bash 13 or you want to complete, you can stay. We will have some Q&A and then you can leave probably. No issues. Yes. Done. Okay. Those who completed, you can drop off from the class. But before dropping, guys, one small help. Can you all like this video on YouTube? I have just shared a link. Yeah, attendance is taken, no issues. Please like this video, at least make 100 likes if you can. Right? I hope you can do that at least. Yes. Please like the video. In the shell script, when we are declaring the variable, will that variable declare globally? Yeah, it's globally. Okay, it's a one script only, right? It's global. Kishore, what happened? So brother, this is a free class, right? You should be there in our free Zoom session, not on outside YouTube. Okay. So I don't know like how you went on the outside YouTube. Yes, we are good with the today's class. No, batch 13 entire course is different, guys. Okay, not like your free course. Okay, so that's important. That one thing you should understand. Yeah, any questions you can ask me. You will get today's notes on the website itself, so no issues. Okay. This is Hamid. Yeah. Yeah, Hamid, go ahead. Any questions you have, you can ask me. Meanwhile, I'll just... does these variables where we declare are in the same? Yes, brother, same Linux environment. Okay. Okay. Anyone who is enrolling now? You want me to wait for batch 13? There will be a community group, separate community group for batch 13. Okay. Right, Naveen. Good. Supraja, you can drop off. No issues. Okay. We have completed today's class. Documents will be given to you. I am just requesting who are interested to continue in batch 13, you guys can stay. Okay. Where did I get free course class notes? Under the course tab in the website. Okay. Course tab. free course and documents, you will get it there. Yeah, I have shared you the data. Okay, right. Okay, so one last question to you all, right? Great. You can see the batch 13 details, right? Great. Okay. So one last question to all the people who are here, right? Anyone who is interested to enroll, and final call after the live gets end, the price will change. If you want me to get with 70% off, 4,000, right? 4,000. Anyone in the next 5 minutes, the opportunity is yours. You can grab that opportunity and you can let me know your name, and then we can wait for another 5 minutes. Anyone who is interested, give your name. Just I want you to give your name and I will stay in the call. If you're not giving your name or anyone is not interested, that's fine. We will close the call, right? Hi, Praveen. I'm not finding in the portal itself, community group will be there. 𝐁𝐚𝐫𝐿. Okay, check that. Okay, right. Same, Kadri, Reshmita, the classes will start in September. Week is yet to be decided. But what is the other question you had? Where can I find in portal? Okay, not this one. Weekend and 1 day in weekday. Are you providing hands-on on GeoI? Bhai, yes. Ragada, yes. Okay. Okay. Can I get previous batch recording only? No, Abhishek, that's not possible. Okay. Okay. Any freshers who wants to upskill, learn DevOps cloud, not like 10,000, 15,000 you are paying outside. Anyone, any fresher? One final call. Today is Sunday. You just tell me, Devika, you want to speak? Okay, good. Let me give you the opportunity. Yeah, Satya, I'm waiting for you then. Okay, I'll give Devika access to talk. Let's talk. Yeah, Devika, go ahead.
Hi, sir.
Yeah, go ahead, Devika. Yeah.
Sir, I have career gap.
How many years of career gap you have?
8 years career gap.
8 years. What you were doing? Like,
at the time I writing exams.
okay, tell me, like, what's your question?
If I take this course, it's useful for me for getting job.
See, I will tell you honestly, very difficult. Okay, 8 years you did something and you want to come into IT, it's very difficult. But like the way you joined today's class, you understood something. I hope you made notes also, correct? You
Yes.
made your own notes, yes. If you want something like this to be continued for next 3 months, and on your own, probably this 8 years, you want to fill some experience certificate and all, you can do on your own. But 8 years gap, no one is going to give you job. If you know someone in a company, like a local company, startup company, then yes, there are opportunities. But to be honest, outside people won't give job. Okay, that's my honest.
And that too, I want to improve my communication, and that too, I feel that low communication I have.
Correct, that's true. You have to improve your communication. What you can do is, like the way you are talking to me, think like you are talking with someone in front of mirror, right?
Yes.
So if you do for like, let's say 10 days, you improve your communication slowly. Like, hi, this is Devika here. Correct? How are you?
Yeah.
Right? And today I have done these things. These are my roles and responsibility at my home. From morning to
Yes.
evening, I have done it. So some talks, if you do like 5-10 minutes, closing the door, no one will disturb you. You are there in the room and you look at mirror and talk. Probably that will improve your, what you say, like talking skills. Yes.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, no issues. Right. Okay. Praveen, just a question from like I have hands-on experience in building an AI-powered auto-reply chatbot in Python language. Will this help me in outstanding as a fresher? Aman Rai, you can send that details. Yes, brother. See, I will tell you. Your whatever the Python AI thing you have done, right? That is one part of Python. In Python, there are many things. In DevOps, there are many things. So I think all these things are combined in batch 13. Correct, Aman? Yesterday's class notes are also added in the. My payment has been failed. My amount transferred on September 3rd, but I'm interested. I'll pay on September. What is it? September 3rd. 2 months, Hamid. 2 months. So September, October, November. By November, you will be having. Okay. 2022 pass out. Okay. Some questions on the YouTube also I will take. Course duration is 2 months. Okay. So you can enroll now. And 2022 pass out degree, I will join any jobs are there. 2022 Dhara, Oblesu, you need to learn many things. Okay. Not like directly someone will not give you job. Yes, correct. Balaji, that's correct. 3 classes. Okay. Right. Okay. Any other questions? Anyone else? Any queries? Any questions you have? Yes, Manju. 2023 pass out. You are almost at home for 2 years. Correct. So you can try this and add some DSA onto your resume and try for opportunities. And all of you freshers, I'm telling you, you can keep my projects, my own projects onto your resume. I will tell you how you can modify your resume also. Okay. Each line by line, I will help you to modify. Okay. No copy paste. No resume is copy paste. Clear, everyone? Okay. One final call. 8:14 is the time, right? Tell me if anyone wants to enroll. You just give your name here in the chat. I will wait for 1 more minute. And if any questions, I will take, or else no. One last call for anyone who is willing to enroll for batch 13 with me. Can you give your name? Anyone is interested? Yes? Yeah? Yes, yes. Harjish. Okay. No issues. Okay. Right. Great. Okay. Anyone else? Balaji, you can put it on the chat. 1 month. Tarun, 1 month. Okay. Suraj, what are good job portals? I will share in batch 13 all the job portals to you, all the data points to you. Okay. Definitely. It will help you. It will start in probably in some week of September. Once I finalize the projects and once I finalize the meetup date, then I will roll out the batch 13 start date. Probably you can check the modules which are attached in the website meanwhile. Okay. I will give resume. I will give my Walmart resume, my Verizon resume, and my Infosys resume. Okay. All the 3 resumes I will share with you. And you can look out that resume and make your resume also same. Okay. I'm working in a startup company. Any meetups? Hyderabad later, not now. I'm working in a startup company. I was working as an Android developer. I want to switch to DevOps, but don't have a PF. See, PF is fine, but if you have a payslip and all, that's good. Dheeraj, okay? Right. Okay, people on YouTube, let's talk with you all. Can you please tell me meetup date? See, Hamid, I have asked Microsoft team to give me the slots. As of now, I am yet to get the confirmation, right? So every time we take the people to Microsoft Meetup, you can see my YouTube channel, right? For different kinds of Microsoft Meetups, which we do just to engage people in learning. Okay, that's the reason. Okay, you got an idea, right? Oh, you are following me from YouTube from last 2 years? Good, yeah. Okay, I have 3 years experience as DevOps engineer. I came back from USA due to my personal family issues. Now I'm doing job search here in India. And just now I registered, I want to brush up my skill. Balaji, definitely. I think I can understand. You came from USA. You are looking for job right now in India. That's good. And you have 3 years of experience. That's awesome. Definitely, I'm going to help you. You first complete the yesterday's class, today's class. And after you complete two things, the automations and all, you work on the batch 13 module, which you have registered. Batch 13 will have some interview questions added already. Some modules already there. Day-wise modules will be there. Just check that batch 13 module. Once you have registered, you should get it. Okay. Right? Can I get any sample resume template for transitioning from SD to DevOps? Gayatri, I'm going to share banking to DevOps resume. You didn't told me SD, software developer to DevOps, cloud to DevOps, complete DevOps and SRE. So different kinds of automobile to DevOps because I have done in Toyota. What is that other project like Walmart supply chain project to DevOps, right? So those things are there. I'm a cybersecurity student. I don't have knowledge on this course, which is best course for my career. Okay. What you want to do, Pallavi? So, tell me, like, are you Telugu? First of all, tell me that. Yeah? Yes, no? What happened? Okay, now you are silent. Huh? Yes, you are Telugu. So, cybersecurity lo em నేర్చుకుంటారు చెప్పు. Like, if you want to talk on screen with the video off, I'm good. You can talk. You want that opportunity? Or you can tell me in the chat. Like, what is cyber security? You tell me because you are a third year student, right? నువ్వు హిందీలో సారీ నువ్వు తెలుగులో మాట్లాడొచ్చు, నువ్వు ఇంగ్లీష్లో మాట్లాడొచ్చు, ఏదైనా పర్లే. వన్స్ అంటే నువ్వు కంఫర్టబుల్ అయితే నేను నీకు యాక్సెస్ ఇస్తాను టాక్కి. వీడియోకి జనరల్గా స్టూడెంట్స్ ఒప్పుకోరు, బట్ ఇఫ్ యూ వాంట్ టు కమ్ ఆన్ వీడియో ఆల్సో దట్స్ ఫైన్. యూ డిసైడ్ అండ్ టెల్ మీ. ఐ వాంట్ టు నో వాట్ ఈస్ cyber security with your 3 years of experience. I mean 3 years of college. Yes, definitely Tarun. Yeah. Even I am AI/ML student. Arey, how come you guys are joining AI/ML, cyber security, right? How come you are doing all these things? Anyone wants to tell? Sahana, you want to tell? Like how this cyber security AI/ML, what is teach? Like what is actually, yes, can you talk? Okay. So let's talk, Sahana, once. Okay. So I have given you access, but do you want to come on video? You tell yes or no. If you want to come, I will promote you to the panelist. No? Okay. You talk now. Video off. Yeah, talk. First,
Hello, sir.
tell me, what is this AI/ML you are learning in college?
Yeah, sir. So, sir, first I completed my computer science in diploma.
Okay.
So then later on, so we were having opportunity like to choose like AWS as well as AIML. So unfortunately, our college had been fixed like we should choose AWS itself.
Okay.
So then, like I was interested AIML, and then that was a ChatGPT era as well.
Okay.
So due to that reason, that motivated me a lot to choose AIML, and that is the reason why I picked AIML in my engineering.
Okay. So what is what is being taught in AI/ML?
So as per my knowledge right now, like something training a machine, a data set, training a data set for a machine to think its own by self. That's what I thought, sir.
Okay. And you are in third year of college?
Yeah, sir, third year.
Okay. In the first 2 years, did they teach any project where Some machine is there, some inputs you are giving with the data models and all like that?
So being a diploma student, so first year, I was on lateral entry, so where directly I'd been joined for my second year.
Okay. So
So when I directly joined for my second year, so we were having a subject like some AI subject. Apart from everything was completely related to computer science. And now in our third year, we have complete core what our AMS students we have like deep learning or machine learning.
good. But tell me, so in that case, so much Python you should have knowledge, right? When you're doing this deep learnings, LLMs and all.
Yes, sir.
So how are you managing that? Like, so let's say a teacher comes and they teaches you something on the board. So how are you doing all those things? Like not only you, I'm asking in a general perspective because you see AI, ML or cyber security, these all are very vast or very thoughtful subjects. So I'm just thinking how you guys are managing being a fresher and all.
Like just we are going, so just whatever the thought that been taught for us, and just we are practicing and we are scoring. That's it. And the practical knowledge had been not getting for us.
That's important, right? How are you building the LLMs and all those things are very important. But I think good. But I would suggest, see, the way you have taken a step to learn at least something today,
Yes, sir.
I think that is good. Okay. Not AI, ML, do these things also. Okay. Very good. Like wherever you get some free things or any learnings, you do. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Thank you. I think that's good step. Take participation in all the events and all wherever you get it and do well.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
All the best. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. So I think that's cool. Okay. Anyone wants to share anything? No, yes. Good. Okay, fine. Right. Okay, we are good. I think you all have done your part. Okay. Yeah, when the batch will start, you will get emails, notifications on your app. Everything will be rolled out. Okay. And I will be purposefully coming and talking to you all in a separate session. Okay. Separate live session I'll conduct. Okay. If anyone is still interested to enroll, you can do it. Probably anyone wants some time, like grace time or something you want? Anyone from our class? From this Zoom I am talking, not on YouTube, but Zoom. Yes? Okay, what grace time you want? Tell me. Now, Santi okay. Santi Kannuru. Santi is telling that he needs grace time. Now you tell what time you need. Till what time you need this price? You tell me. You tell me. Why are you silent? You don't want to tell? Everyone is like a... Okay, then you do one thing. I will give you one thing, okay? Okay, done. Great. Okay, thanks a lot for joining. The documents will be uploaded soon. In next 1 or 2 hours, you can have the document view on the website. Please take care. I think we will definitely look out for other things soon. Okay, so keep an eye, keep learning. Who are freshers, keep learning way. Okay, if anyone is interested to enroll, or you can form as a batch. Let's say 2 people a batch, 3 people a batch. You are in a fresher class. You are not like confident to learn DevOps, you call other 2 also and learn combinedly. Okay. I think that's my recommendation. If you want, if you have any best friends, you tell them that, boss, let's go into Praveen class and we will learn something new. Okay. By the way, you 3 will be there. Like you 3 will have the competition and you 3 will learn. Okay. So this is the batch 13 link and I would see people joining in. Okay. So stay tuned. We will roll out all the things and take care. Good night. Bye. I hope you enjoyed today's session on the coding perspective. By the way, how was the session? I forgot to ask you all, right? How was the session, by the way? Good, bad, or like on the coding perspective, you tell. Okay. On the coding perspective, how was the session, right? Session, I think I have done the, like what you can say, like the very deep analysis of a code, how to break down, and you understood some scenarios. The documents will be uploaded in the portal soon. So keep an eye and keep learning. Okay. Don't stop your learnings. Keep the way momentum, keep learning. Wherever you get the opportunity, keep it. Okay, learn. Okay, that's way, right? So thanks all. I like the way you split things into 4 types. Okay, I'm a mechanical and recent graduate. I can understand the session. Okay, great. Learn new things today despite being in DevOps engineering from few years. Okay, good, yeah, good. Learn few things. Okay, great. So with that said, I will take a leave now. Time is now 8:30. So see you all, and please take care. Okay, bye. Yeah, bye. Thank you.